channel, and today I will be doing a morning routine slash get ready with me as a dog mom. So right now I'm just now waking up, breath stinking, face dirty. As you can see, I'm getting my toothbrush ready to brush my gums, my teeth, and my tongue. Nothing too major, just going in twice. Then the second time I'm just gonna put some peroxide, because as you know, if you know, you know. I ain't gotta say too much. If you know, you know about the peroxide. But anyways, I'm just going over here, wash my face, put some hot water. Y'all know how it go to wash your face. But yeah, wash your face clean, get the boogers out your eyes. Get my iPad because I'm finna take my morning dump. As you can see, checking my emails and all that. But first thing first, I'm just going to, after that, I'm taking my dogs out. One, Mickey gotta be trying, he will run away. Jet, he listening, he gonna follow us wherever we go. So that's why you see me trying one up and one in. So see y'all outside. Y'all, so right now I'm back in the house to cook some breakfast. As you can see, I'm putting in some stuff on. Yeah, I don't know why my voice over is so freaking low. Like, I'm talking so loud and it's so low. But anywho, right now I'm just getting my stuff behind the fridge. And anyways, y'all just let me know down in the comments what else y'all want me to do, what else y'all want me to see. Because as y'all know, it's a whole lot of things going on in here, and whatever y'all ask for, it's gonna go down and happen. So right now I'm just adding water. I'm finna add water to my pot, you know, to cook my little rice. So we gonna do that, and then I come back with y'all. So enjoy the video, okay?
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know.
Turn it down. Put this bacon in the oven. Yeah, please don't talk about me putting a pan in the oven. I don't have any pans. So then I'm dark over here. I'm gonna sit you right here.
I cannot wait to get my hair top head. My hair did, you see what my hair did, and right now I'm typical time. I'm so silly. But anyways, yeah, I feel like I'm looking top head. I feel
And breakfast is ready. Looks so good with some orange juice. Looks so good, y'all. Was I not recording? Was I not recording? I don't know. But like I was saying, I will be going back to Walmart. Oh, this paper is big. I will be going to Walmart to get my vision board. I mean my board to do a vision board with my sticky notes to do my vision board. Yeah, so in the end I might go clean my car, whatever, and make some more runs to get some more stuff to finish my house. Period. This sounds so good. My house. Yeah. Please don't mind my hair. I hate being natural. I hate being natural, but I'm letting my hair breathe. I'm letting my hair breathe. Y'all see that? Y'all see it shake it up. Y'all see that? But I let my hair breathe until probably a week or so. But I left my dang on hot comb. Yeah, I left all my stuff back at home. I left my hot comb, my blow dryer, my flat irons, my one curler, my crinkles, all my dye, all my bleach. I left every freaking thing, like, so even if I wanted to do my hair, I couldn't do it because I ain't got the stuff. And who want to rebuy all this stuff up? Not me. But anyways, yeah, this is a basic fit. This is a basic fit for today. Fit check. But it ain't no fit. Stop! That kid died. He done broke the freaking line. Now if I whoop you, then what? Hey. Get in. Come on, y'all. Come on. No, and he's still trying to bite it. Come on. Oh my god, you really broke the freaking blind, bro. Yeah, come in, cause you finna piss me off. Come in, come. Finna do a run or whatever. Get some stuff, and yeah. I'll be back cause I'm doing a lot of running right now. Yeah, be back. I didn't vlog it, but this little area around here is so nice. It's super nice. Like, it got stuff down there. Let me back out. And they're gonna get behind me. You got stuff on that side. Ooh, I sure finna go. It's super nice around here. Super duper nice. But I had, I went in Bath and Body Works and got me a little something. It looked like it about to rain, but today I didn't do much. Headed to Walmart. I need to go get a vision board because my grandma told me the Lord told her to tell me to do a vision board, and she gave me a scripture to that goes with the vision that the Lord told her. And yeah, I want to do that before Chick-fil-A must be around here somewhere. But I want to do that But it look like it's finna rain. But when I get to Walmart, I'm gonna vlog. Probably now. Yeah, see I flat out my hair a little bit. Got a little pony. You can't see it. Got a little pony. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back up. But yeah, I am back in Walmart. I need to get one of these. So far, this is what I got. Oh, oops. I hope this thing to 1938. Yep. That is it. I hate when folks be all in my grill, bro. That's cute. Ooh, I came in the right area because he's some 1691. Still 20 is 5019. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking for right now. Well, I know I'm looking for a trash can, but I don't know how much this can is. $19. Oh, that was $19. I might have to get that one because yeah, I don't see no others. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. I got stuff. Get that one and this one. Get this one. That one look broke. How do they all look like this? Hold on, y'all. This move broke. I'm finna use these. I'm finna get this bookshelf, y'all, and y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do with the magic. But y'all gonna have to stay tuned for another video because these vlogs is about long. So yeah, finna get that. Yeah, guys. And the thing about it, I couldn't find no black hangers, clothes hangers. This is cute. For $25 I can keep it. They sure enough can keep it. Cool. Not pee. Not pee. Not pee. Yeah. I got this shit at home. Guess how much I paid for that chair? In Meridian, in Mississippi. I paid $8 for that chair. But I'm gonna get this one. This right here. Or whatever. Like, this one, this one. Weirdo. Like, these some weirdos, y'all. Like, some freaking weirdos. I'm gonna be back. Cause it's some weirdos. Oh, he leave your basket right there. Child, okay, I'll be back, y'all. This is cute.
January the 23rd. 50% off, so 50% of 17, it was like $8. You know how I do. So right now I got these little cute things. So cute. Cute. These pretty much what I'm gonna keep here. One of those things. Bitch, I sit out, you cannot beat this. Ooh.